Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Bolzano Lux Handbag Subscription. I also have an exciting giveaway to announce. If this sounds like something you're interested in, then just keep watching. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's get started. Let's do the unboxing first. I guess it's actually an unbagging because it does come in a bag. I'm going to show you what comes in the Bolzano Lux Handbag Subscription. This particular subscription is $43.95 a month, and you get up to a $300 value. You get a bag, beauty items, and accessories. This is my all-time favorite subscription. I'm going to go ahead and link my previous Bolzano video in the cards above. This is actually the bag that I received from Bolzano last month. If you've been watching my videos, you have been seeing this in every one of my try-ons. The neutral color goes with everything. Maybe you just want to get the bag and accessories. There is also a subscription for that is $33.95 a month. But did you know that Bolzano offers a seasonal subscription? Seasonal subscription is $43.95 a month, and for that you get the bag, the accessories, and the beauty items. That is such a value, and if you're someone that switches out your bag about once a quarter, that would be perfect for you. When spring approaches, as it is now, I love the bright pops of color, the optic white, and the light and airy colors. When the fall comes, I love the deep, rich tones. On that topic, I'm really curious how often you switch out your handbag. I'm going to go ahead and insert a poll. You'll see a little eye at the top of the screen. Please take just a moment and let me know how often you change out your handbag. But I digress. Here's a look at the bag in the Bolzano dust cover. I can see through the cover and it looks like it's either a red or a coral, both of which I would be happy with. I can tell to look at this that this is a good sized bag, and it also has a very substantial feel to it. Now, because this is the Lux subscription that I am unbagging, this is the one that's $43.95, I also have these bags filled with goodies. I cannot wait to see what's in here. We will have some accessories and some beauty products. Now, I have not peeked at this bag. I'm going to pull it out and we're going to look at this together. At the top of the bag is a pretty Bolzano bow, and then there's a little card that says you deserve to be spoiled, and I always feel spoiled when I get this subscription. And here's our first look at the bag. It is a beautiful, deep coral. I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off, and then I will bring this in closer to show you. I went ahead and attached the handles that come with all of the Bolzano bags. I'm sure that there's a card somewhere in this packaging that tells about this bag, but I'm just going to freestyle this one and tell you my first observations. I love the silver tone Bolzano logo, and you'll see that when I come in tight. You can see by the side profile that it will hold a lot. I do want to point out that the strap is adjustable and that there are no exterior pockets, so you can see that the back is plain, and then the front has this pretty stitching detail. I want to bring this in closer and I'll show you the inside as well. Here's a look at the pretty Bolzano logo. I love that this is done in silver against this pretty pop of coral. All of the Bolzano bags come with detachable straps. I especially like this for the smaller bags because you can use them cross-body and you can easily attach and detach the straps. I'm also thinking that if you have a couple of Bolzano bags, you could probably even mix and match them and get some really unique combinations, but I digress. There is so much to show on the inside of this bag. You can see that the lining is black, and right away I noticed that this first pocket that my fingers are on would easily fit a tablet, and then there's a big open compartment, then there is a zippered compartment, and then a slip pocket behind the zippered compartment. I also like this fun little pop of coral on the zippered compartment at each end. This bag does have feet on the bottom. This particular feature is really indicative of a quality bag to me. I really like this because when you sit your bag down, it's not sitting directly on any surface, and it also helps to keep your bag clean and pristine. I wanted to show you just how big this pocket is on the front of this bag. So I have my tablet, and you can see that it easily fits in there. I think you could even probably fit a small laptop. I don't have a laptop, but it easily fits my tablet. I just found the card with Bolzano's description of this bag, but before I read it, I want to give you my overall impressions. This is an extremely well-made bag with a lot of organization. I love the color of this one. It is a very deep, rich coral almost leaning red, but not quite. Overall, I think this bag is a winner. I cannot wait to use this in the spring and summer. Now I want to tell you what Bolzano says about this bag. Bolzano says, this month we've chosen our Amalia especially for you. It's constructed from PETA certified vegan leather, I'm really happy to hear that, and has a retail value of $225. And I believe that this feels like a very quality handbag to me. Amalia is part of our new collection and comes in Eden, chili pepper, and black. This makes me think that the color that I received is the chili pepper, and that is a really good description of that color. What we love about this bag: spacious interior, Bolzano logo adorned flap, convenient crossbody strap, inside multi-purpose compartments, magnetic snap closure. I'm a big fan of that feature. Easy access front pocket. Now the front pocket is where I showed you that I stored my tablet. I have 2 bags full of goodies. I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's start with this one. The first thing that I see is a pair of Bolzano sunglasses. I am really happy to receive a pair of sunglasses. If you routinely watch my try-ons, you know that I like to switch out my sunglasses, and I also can lose them on occasion, so it's great to have a backup. Let's see what these look like. Here are the sunglasses, and interestingly, I don't own a pair of tortoiseshell sunglasses, so I'm really happy that this is the style that was sent to me. I'm going to show these to you on, and then I will bring them in closer so that you can get a better look. Okay, I am really digging these sunglasses. I love the shape of these and the fact that they have the tortoise shell on the arms because I don't own anything like this. And then the lens color is kind of a smoky gray. The next thing in that little goodie bag is this necklace, and I have to say I have seen a couple of people receive this, and this is extremely well made and substantial. I think this will actually look pretty with the top that I have on because the cord that feels like a faux leather is gray, and then it has these multicolor circles that are made out of metal. Let me bring this in closer. Here's a closer look at this necklace, and I'll try to remember to put this on during my outfit of the day try on. I like how it has kind of an irregular circular shape. It almost looks hammered. It is very substantial, you can see by the thickness. It has a rose gold tone and a silver tone, and then the cord is this pretty dove gray. Love this necklace. Now I'm still pulling pieces out of the goodie bags, but I just have to mention for $43.95, I personally would have been thrilled with just the handbag and the sunglasses. And there's still more. That's why I feel like the Bolzano Lux Subscription is one of the best values out there. Let's look at the rest of the pieces. I also received a beautiful pair of silver tone earrings. I want to come in tight to show you these. How pretty are these? It's a high shine silver tone. They have a lot of texture and dimension. And then here's the back with the snap bar closure. The first thing that I see is a Cappuccino Lip Balm. And it does smell like cappuccino. Let me bring this in closer. Here's the lip balm, and it says that it is vegan and cruelty-free. And after smelling this, now I really want a cup of coffee. Next we have a hand cream. Let me bring this in closer. And here's a look at the tube size. This has a pretty faint floral scent to it. The final product is a beauty product, and I have actually had this on my radar to try. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift. This is a really good size sample jar. Let me bring this in closer to show you. And here is the jar. Here's a quick summary of everything that we got in this $43.95 a month Lux subscription. So we got this gorgeous chili pepper bag. We got the Bolzano sunglasses with a carrying sleeve to protect the lenses. This beautiful long necklace with the dove gray cord. Shimmering silver tone earrings. A Cappuccino Lip Balm and a high-end hand cream. And the L'Oreal Revitalift. In order to be eligible for this particular giveaway, here are the rules. You must be subscribed to this channel because obviously I do giveaways to thank my subscribers, right? You must be over the age of 18. You must have a shipping address in the continental US. I do want to point out that this giveaway is not affiliated or associated with YouTube in any way. This giveaway is from me and from Leilani over at Bolzano. I want to point this out specifically because she has been so generous and so kind to offer this giveaway to you. In order to be entered in this particular giveaway, you're going to follow the Bolzano link in the description box below, and you're going to put in an entry. Let me tell you what Bolzano says about this contest. I'm reading this off of the website, the Bolzano giveaway. Do you know an amazing person who could use a boost? Maybe it's someone who puts the needs of others before their own. Someone who always maintains a positive attitude through tough times. A coworker who has changed your community, or a caregiver who exceeds expectations. We'll select one lucky winner to receive one Bolzano Lux subscription. I do want to mention that they ask for very little personal information. Of course, they ask you for the full name of the nominee. Also going to ask you which YouTube channel your entry is associated with. So just as a reminder, the channel name for this channel is Theresa Rene 360, and it will be a drop-down option. If you've watched my previous giveaways, you know that I choose the winner at random. I'll pull out my cell phone and select the winner with the YouTube comment picker. For this giveaway, you get more input into the process because you are going to nominate either yourself or someone else to win a Bolzano Lux handbag. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys.